Hi, welcome to 15 minutes radiant flow to activate the body, to strengthen the body, to open the body, and to tap into your inner radiance. So, this is a 15 minutes flow. And whenever something doesn't feel right in your body, please remember to lessen your effort or to take a moment of break before you come back. So, the practice should be feeling really good in your body. All right, please join me. Come to the top of your mat with your feet about hip distance apart and just take a moment to lengthen, to lift your crown into the sky, to roll the shoulders down and away from the ears, to close your eyes and to turn in just for a moment, softening your shoulders, lifting through the heart space, softening your jaw, allowing for space in between the eyebrows, and just taking a moment to connect to your heart. We will be working with Ujjayi breath, so you can already start inhaling into the chest, activating your ocean sound, and exhaling from the abdomen, pulling the belly in and back. Ocean sound. 2 more times, inhaling, ocean sound. And exhaling, ocean sound. Gently pull your chin back. One more, inhaling, open your chest, expand your rib cage. And exhale, draw your abdomen in. And gently open your eyes, settle your gaze at the level of the horizon. And we'll start inhaling, lifting the arms up towards the sky, lifting your gaze, and exhaling to fold forward. Inhaling, step your left foot back and look up. Exhaling, come into downward facing dog. Take a deep inhale and exhale your knees, chest, and chin to the floor. Inhale, scoop forward into a cobra, and exhale back into downward facing dog. Inhaling your left foot forward and lift your arms into Anjali Mudra, and exhale, stepping both feet together. Inhaling, lifting the arms up overhead, gaze up, and exhale, hands to heart. Let's do that again. Inhaling, lift up, and exhale to bow forward. Inhaling the right foot back in a big step. Lift through your heart and exhale into downward facing dog. Take a deep inhale into your chest. Exhale from your belly and drop your knees, chest, and chin to the floor. Inhaling, scoop forward into cobra. And exhale back into downward facing dog. Inhale your right foot forward and clasp your hands behind your back. We stay here for a moment. Inhale into your chest and exhale from the abdomen. A few breaths here with each inhale. Lift your heart, bring your shoulder blades together and slide them down along your back. We are opening the shoulders here. Last breath to inhale and exhale. Inhale, frame the foot with your hands, and exhale, step your feet together. Inhaling, arms up overhead, and exhale, hands to heart. Beautiful. Drop your arms to your side. Take a breath in and out. Inhaling, bringing both arms up overhead, and exhale to fold forward. Draw your belly in, and inhale, flatten your back, and exhale, plant your hands and step back into chaturanga. Inhaling into up dog, look up, and exhaling back into downward facing dog. We stay now here and work a little bit into the back of our legs. So alternatively, bend into one knee at a time and lengthen the back of the leg of the other foot, other leg. Keep on breathing deeply, inhaling into the chest and exhaling, draw your abdomen in as you do so. And now lower both heels down at the same time. Last breath here in downward facing dog. At the end of your exhale, lift up onto your toe tips, bend into your knees, and hop or step forward. Inhaling into a flat back and exhale into forward fold. Inhale, reach both arms up overhead. And exhale, arms down to the side. Once more, inhaling the arms up, lifting the gaze. And exhaling to fold forward. Inhaling into flat back. And exhaling, planting the hands and jumping or stepping back into chaturanga. Inhaling into up dog. And exhaling back into down dog. Here we stay for a moment. We're bending into the right knee and taking that left leg around on the outer side of the right and straightening that left leg and stretching the left side of the body. We stay here for another breath and bring your left leg back to center. Bend into your left knee. Take your right leg now to the outside of your left foot and stretch the whole right side of your body. Lengthen the hips into the sky. Last breath. And step back to center, lowering both heels down at the same time. Lengthening the spine, opening the chest. After your next exhale, come up onto your toe tips, bend into your knees, and hop, step, jump forward. Inhale into flat back, and exhale to fold forward. Inhaling, lifting your arms overhead, and exhaling, arms down to the side. So inhaling, arms up once more. Exhaling to fold forward. Inhaling into flat back, and exhaling, come into your chaturanga. That can be on your knees too. Inhaling into up dog, and exhaling back into down dog. As you inhale, like a wave, roll your chest and spine forward, your shoulders over your hands into plank, and exhale back into downward facing dog. Inhaling into plank, letting a wave run through your spine, and exhale, coming back into down dog. We do that 3 more times. Inhaling, come forward, and exhaling back. Move according to your own rhythm of breath. And try to fit that body movement into your breath. So you're basically enveloping your body movement with your breath, letting the breath start just before the body movement and end your breath right after. We stay now in plank for a moment, inhaling into the chest, and as you exhale, pull especially the lower part of your belly in. Draw your hands a little bit in towards one another. The whole body is engaged, pushing the tops of the thighs up. We stay here for 1 more breath, and with your exhale, come back into downward facing dog. Taking a deep breath here. And at the end of your exhale, come onto your toe tips, bend into your knees, and step, hop, jump to the front. Inhale, flex back, and exhale, forward fold. Inhaling, bringing the arms up overhead, and exhaling the arms to the sides. 1 more time, inhaling, arms up, exhaling to fold forward. Inhaling into flat back, and exhaling into chaturanga, into up dog, and exhale into down dog. Stay here for 1 breath, inhaling deeply, and as you exhale, drop your knees to the floor and sit back into child's pose. Stay here just for a moment, allowing the breath to slow down. And lift your hips over your knees. Your knees are roughly hip distance. Walk your hands forward, and we'll come into puppy pose. Either rest your chin or your forehead on the floor, connecting back into your ujjayi breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling completely. If that doesn't feel right in your shoulders, move your hands a little bit out to the side or push your elbows all the way out and bring your hands underneath your chin. Last breath here. And slowly walk your hands back and release your buttocks onto your heels. come sitting with your legs in front of you. And we'll cross our right foot over the left leg. Come sitting with a straight spine and preparing for twist. So lengthening the crown into the sky. And with your next exhale, start hugging your knee into your left arm. And deeply twist over towards your right side. And we stay here for a moment. Just close your eyes. Inhaling, lift your spine, your head towards the sky. And as you exhale, draw the abdomen in. Inhaling to lengthen. And exhaling, drawing the abdomen in. With your next inhalation, shift your chest forward. Lengthen your right leg. And take your left leg over your right. So you're sitting right in front of your sitting bones with the spine nice and straight. Inhaling to lengthen. And as you exhale, hug that left leg. And turn over towards your left side. Inhaling to lengthen the back of the head towards the sky. And exhale, drawing the abdomen in. Once more, inhale to lengthen. And exhale, twisting just a little deeper. With your next inhale, shift your chest forward and extend your legs right in front of you. We finish off with forward fold. So you're sitting right in front of your sitting bones. Inhaling the arms up to the sky. And exhaling, folding forward. As you fold, pull your tummy in. Inhaling, come back out of the posture, lengthen once more, and exhale, draw your abdomen in and fold forward. And we stay here for 3 breaths. Inhaling, try to lengthen your chest forward, and exhale, drawing the abdomen in, folding deeper. Inhale once more, a subtle lengthening of the spine, and exhale, drawing the abdomen in. One last breath. Ujjayi. With your next inhale, reach your arms up and exhale the arms to the side. Just scoot a little forward and come lying down for a moment of final relaxation. So just lie back on your back. Completely relax your body. Letting go. A conscious relaxation process can have deep effects of relaxation of the physical body, but also relaxation of the mind, of the psyche. Resting all 10 toes deeply. Resting the feet, the heels, the calves, the shins, the knees. Resting the thighs, the groins, the hips. Resting the abdomen and the lower back. Resting the chest, the middle back, the upper back. Resting all 10 fingers, the hands, the wrists, forearms, the elbows, the upper arms, and the shoulders. Resting the neck, the face, and the head. The whole body is deeply at rest and allows for the mind and psyche to come into a deep space of rest. And this concludes our final rest. Gently wiggle your toes and fingers to connect back to your body. If you feel for stretching or hugging in, feel free to do so. take a moment to just thank yourself for the efforts for joining the practice today. And see how this effort of practice will reward in your day, being more filled with strength, with openness, and with radiance. Namaste.